but like ugogo man ulala nomntwana ungenaphi i-boyfriend yakhe yakusaba wena uyazi lokho
nebametha maningi
i-boyfriend yakho ikusaba goed.
Sasha asked for permission to go to the toilet.
So don't think that. What's this you say about Jacobs? Farouk, I know you always know everything.
You are my friend of her.
I know, but like,
Okay.
I didn't go to Russia for a BBL.
I win.
It's a
No,
sound
you
on
know, I
TikTok.
once read
watching
comments
that sound.
saying that BBL went wrong. BBL gone wrong.
I don't enter there.
And I saw another one saying that. What's saying? This what hips. That day, man. Disformed. Isn't that right? I don't know, but something like that, you know. And like, I fuck with you. Like, you have body confidence. Maka, like, since Baby Days is posting you and stuff, like, you were so thick. You had like a nice body. But now uphelile. Hey, uphelile, mfana. Hey, uphelile, shame. Yini, umjolo, uyakustressa. Like, why don't you mind your own relationship? I asimekeleni uJacobs asinandaba.